I tell you what, you guys have asked, and I'm bringing it to you, how I clean my brushes. I don't know why I didn't think to do this. I've always done it in like lives or something like that, but an actual tutorial is perfect for you. So brush cleaning for your makeup brushes is a big deal. Did you know that if you don't clean your makeup brushes, not only can they create acne, but it can also make your makeup not go on as well? That's it. So stay tuned and watch how we do this bad boy, because you can actually damage your brushes if you don't do it right. So here we go. First things first, wash your brushes with this. Mascara just came out with their new bottles, so it's all nice and pretty, like best packaging ever, with the Houdini. It is so good. It smells divine. I like it. It's a little strong, but then the smell stays on these and it's just so good. So I have tried other makeup brush, makeup remover, brush removers, and this one is by far what I feel is the best. So weekly, I use this. Monthly, I use this and the sink. This dries within 5 minutes. So let's see, this is a new bottle. So I'm gonna spray it on here, and then I just take these and I just round and round. So we don't wanna push hard on our brushes. We just go round and round as we do this. Here, I'm gonna double this up. Okay, so round and round, watch a TV show while you clean your brushes. And we're gonna go through over and over and over again. Now, with mascara, because it's a cream, and I always teach you to not like use too much makeup, you'll notice that because you're cleaning this weekly, even with this neat and clean, like it's time to clean them, there isn't makeup clear down in there. And that's what's so awesome about a cream foundation too, and how dense these brushes are. Like, you want good makeup brushes, guys. So you notice though, I sprayed it on the paper towel, I didn't spray it on the brush, and then we're not getting those oils down into the bristles. So, and we're just gonna keep on cleaning. Look how nice and shiny. Do it on the sides. Okay, and don't forget, because this does have alcohol in it, it also has some, let's see, it has scientific words, so I can't tell you, but you wanna make sure you take alcohol, something along the handles too. Don't just clean the bristles, clean the handle from bacteria, germs, everything as well. But alcohol wipes, alcohol on here is important too. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna continue, do these here with all my brushes, and you'll see what I do as we go. All right, I did these 3 right here. Here's how they look after they're done. Okay. And then, so one thing that I like to do, like even if I know that I'm deep cleaning them, I will go and clean them just a little bit with this to try and get out as much as possible, because that makes cleaning them, like cleaning them with water a little bit easier on me. But I'm gonna show you with these dirty ones what I do to deep clean them. So again, do this once a week. It's gonna make a difference on like truly acne, because that bacteria that's harbored, you wanna always make sure too when you apply makeup or lotions, please have clean hands, because that's gonna make a huge impact on your face, truthfully, like being honest with you. And then also having clean hands helps keep this cleaner as we go through and touch different tools. So now we're going to go to, let me get a rag really quick like. Now we're gonna go to cleaning out, or deep cleaning as well. So there are different tools. This one is dirt cheap. I'll have a link below. So you guys, every time I do videos, I'll have a link below on this, but this was like, oh, it's been a while, $4, $6, something like that. I get this one because it sits on my fingers. A lot of ones you can suction them to your bathroom sink. But I just like this because it's easy, and it also helps me keep in better control up here versus like doing it in my bathroom sink. So what you do is you turn your water, get your water on just a little bit, and then you're gonna go and you're gonna put a little bit of that soap on here, okay? And then you can get your brush wet, but this is the thing, everybody tries to soak brushes. And the reason it's so important to not soak brushes is because if I'm getting water up in here, which again, guys, remember I already showed you, there's not makeup down into this part. So there's no need, that's what's so cool about cream foundation too, is there's no makeup down in there. So I only need to be getting, you know, I don't need to be soaking or anything like that, but that glue, if you soak your brushes, you are ruining your brushes. So as you can see, like you can see brown kind of sitting in there. So it's showing me that that brown is removing itself from the brushes. So I'll keep continuing to do this, and then, you know, I'll rinse it. Let's turn it on a little bit. I'll rinse it and I'll try it one more time. And if I'm still getting color out, then I know that I'm either done or I'm not. So a little bit of soap and then swirling it. And then if I can see color, I continue to go. If I can't see color, then I know that I'm done. And then since I have a good amount on that end, I'll just come through here, do the other side, and continue to wash my brushes. So then to rinse, okay, turn this on down pretty low because it doesn't need to be turned on high. To rinse, I'd go have the water hitting it. Woo, it's splashing. Have the water hitting it and then getting it throughout it. And I just keep doing it until I know that there's no soap bubbles any longer and it's done. And these ones I did not wash with the Houdini brush cleaner. I did not wash before this. So let me make sure this one's good. So I still see a little bit of color on there. So I'm actually gonna wash this one again on that side. But I'll show you real quickly then what I do here. So we're gonna get a rag and we're going to, I place them inside of here and I'll shake out as much water as possible. Then you lay them in here and I just press it. Again though, I'm trying to not disturb up in here more, but I need to get out that excess water. Okay, so I'll do this on each end. If I were done with this, I'd do it on that end too. And then I let them sit in a clean place. If you have a brush container holder where you can hold them up and prop them up, you can. But you can also take, let me see here, let me see. Welcome to my Tupperware drawer where it's so organized. JK, it's not. But you can even prop them up something like this so that airflow is getting through there, helping your brushes to dry a little bit quicker and sanitary because they're not sitting on a countertop, which is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna continue and finish washing brushes and you can see what I do. So I just did an experiment for you. I washed this end. Remember how I washed this end without cleaning it with this first? And then I used the dish soap to get it clean. Well, I didn't like how it wasn't cleaning. This was still staying yellow. And so, look at this. I went and then washed it after with our brush cleaner and then cleaned, and look how much more I got out of it. I just think where it's a cream foundation, it holds onto these brushes so well, and look how nice and white that is. Like, can you see that? That is incredible. And so I really do think it's gonna make a huge difference for your brushes. Wash them with the Houdini first and get as much foundation makeup as you can out of it, and then deep clean it to finish it off to get the antibacterials out of it too. But we're gonna let that sit and I'm gonna continue to wash, and I'm gonna wash these ones next with the soap. Okay, so right here, I'm not pushing down hard on the brush to get it out. So all I'm doing is kind of getting out excess water and then kind of just putting it out. Please don't press hard on those, because see how I like changed the shape of the brush? You want to make sure you're keeping that shape to your brush. So we're literally just getting out excess water. That's all we're doing. The rest is, it's gonna take its time to dry here, and it will take, this is gonna take like a day and a half. So if I have to do my makeup on a Sunday, that's why I like doing it on Sundays, or a day that you know you're not gonna wear makeup and you can rely on yourself to like, okay, today's brush cleaning day, then you are gonna clean these. But that's how you do it, guys. It does take time, That's why I do it once a month. But when you also do those weekly ones, it makes it so it's not as hard and doesn't take as long because you're taking good care of your stuff. So these suckers, they can last a dang long time. Take good care of them and they're gonna take care of your pretty little face too. Okay, you guys, that's it for today. I'm Jocelyn McClellan with Fit Mission Makeup. If you need anything, jocelyn.mcclellan on Instagram. I have so much fun there with all of you. And Fit Mission Makeup with Jocelyn McClellan on Facebook. And then of course here, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because the bell means that you get notified to anytime I post something new on here, okay? So hit that bell. Take care, we'll see you later in the next video too. Go check out other ones.